Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Greg with Engaging History. Today we're going to look at a mapping activity for Australia. But first, let's start with the quote of the week. In every job that must be done, there is an element of fun. That's from Mary Poppins, of course. Remember, we study history to understand our world, avoid past mistakes, and appreciate other cultures. And as always, this lesson is aimed to be both fun and challenging for your students. Okay, the Australia mapping activity is one of four parts of a unit that I designed for the history of Australia. And the mapping activity basically takes a blank Australia map like you see here on the left, and by the end, as students follow along with about 30 steps, they end up with an information-packed resource that has the different territories of Australia, several of the major cities, and other geographic features. So there's a preview of some of the slides that are included here. I want to take you through a few of them. Starting with a blank Australia map, as the teacher, you control the pace of the lesson. So whenever you click the button, new features appear on the map and you ask students to follow along. I'm going to go a little faster than you would normally go in the classroom. Step 2, in this case, you'd have Western Australia. I ask students to shade it in with a different color as each territory appears. So I'm going to show you a few of the territories and then I'm going to skip to step 9. Students will then trace the outback. Okay, so by the end, again, you'll be able to turn a blank Australia map into a map full of resources as you go ahead and begin to study. Thank you for watching. Take a minute to like and subscribe. There are links to this lesson and other lessons and resources underneath.